Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Also, harbachellectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So we have another Ameritron Al-80b in for repair. There's different switches on it. The newer one, 2023. I have another one on the bench, so I'm comparing it as I talk here. Looks like the finish of the sticker is a little bit different. I assume it's stock. He said he hasn't done anything to it. So anyway, customer said it has low output, so I'm going to figure out what's going on. It's wired for 220/240. Input SO239 is shot, needs to be replaced. The output one has some tension. I always change both. I use new ones from Max Gain Systems. Silver plated body, Teflon dielectric, the gold plated center conductor. Did check his tube. It's over near the high pot machine. The anode is shifted over, so it did fail the high pot. I don't know if it happened between him and me or when he originally bought it. So it's really important to pack it in a box, a double box, that you want it shipped vertically. I know you can't control if it's put on its side during shipping, but you want the label to be on the top. You want it to be in a box that will, like a square box, that will most likely stay oriented in the proper direction during at least most of the transit. Okay, so I'm going to get to work and I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned. So I changed the SO239s. I was going to plug it in with my tube. I always check the cord end because look, whoever put this on did not do it right. Look how they sliced through the insulation. Not just one, but see the black one sliced through right there. Copper. Same with the green one, right? It's hard to tell, but right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to redo this before I can even plug it in. So I do not want it flashing right there. I do not want a short right there. See, it's fixed. No more slits in the insulation. And I always use a flat blade screwdriver to tighten these screws really tight. Okay, I'll be back. See you soon. Okay, it's all set. So I'm going to go over everything I did. First off, the air variable capacitor on the load side was not aligned properly. So at what's that, maximum capacitance, it was like all the way over here. So that has been fixed. 80 meters had a wicked high input SBR. So I tried to adjust the slug in the Pi slug tune coil here. Did not help. I looked at the values of the caps, they were correct. So I touched up on all the solder joints and now it works. And then I fine-tuned it. So grounded the grids right to the metal. There was a bunch of hardware that was loose all over. Fixed that, fixed solder joints, changed the two SO239s. I tested it on all bands. Also high potted the tube. I'm going to do that after this and show the customer wants to see that, so I'm going to do that. And he can have it back if he wants it. I have dud tubes all over the place. And please don't ask for one. I don't. If you're local and you want one, I'll give you one. Meet up with you somewhere, give you one. But I just throw them out. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. I also clean the input and output rotary switches with deoxit gold. I always do that, even if I got a brand new rotary switch in to install on the amp. I always clean them. So again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. 73. Okay, so here's the customer's tube. I have a Hypertronics high pot tester. It's on medium, so it's 0 to 12 kV. Should come up to at least 8,000 volts before it starts pulling current. This is limited in the microamp range, so it's 0 to 100 microamps. Let's see, let's turn it on. Let's watch. Let's see where it starts to pull current. Right around 7,000 volts. Pulling current. If I keep going, it'll flash. So I'll show you. I know I need to get a new clip for that, but it works, right? So it's hard to tell, but the anode structure a little crooked in there. So it's not, as you can tell, it's not centered. Well, it's really hard to tell. But yeah, that's a better shot. So the grid structure is in the middle there, and then you have the filament inside of the grid, but when the plate / anode structure shifts to one side, it gets closer to the grid. So when I'm testing for voltage breakdown, I'm going between, for that test, between the plate and the grid. So you don't want it to flash, because then it brings the anode supply right to ground, and then the next test would be grid to filament, but because it failed that, this is no good. Okay, so again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Lots more to do here, and time to go relax. Catch y'all later. 73.